Hi, Natalia here from Creative Junket. I have a bunch of stuff that came in this afternoon and I couldn't wait to get it out. First up, I have a separate video for the Simple Stories Say Cheese Classic Pooh collection. I went through it in quite a lot of detail, so if you're interested in having a good look at it, then please check that out. I will link that in the description below. It's quite a big collection. Not everything has come in. I just grabbed as much as I could when it came into the wholesaler, so there's a few bits that still have to come in yet. But what I do have is quite a lot. So I have the card kit. So this makes 8 cards. So a simple cards kit. So everything that you need is inside of this, except obviously your scissors and your tape. There is also a Simple Pages page kit. So 2 double layouts on this one. Again, everything you need to make it is in the kit, except for your tape and scissors. There's a collection kit, which includes the sticker sheet. Super cute. I am loving this so much. In my other video, it's the first time I'd looked at it, so I was like really slow because I wanted to look at everything. There's the foam stickers, which are cute. They're always cute. Something about foam stickers, they're just fun to use. And also the chipboard stickers as well. These are just one-sided chipboard stickers. Chipboard frames, and you get, you can see in it you get six. Is that how many there is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, yes. 6 frames, and then 3 of them are bigger. That one's sort of like a double one, and then there's 2 small ones. There are decorative brads, which are cute. I love these. These are little black and white silhouettes of the little friends walking along going on an adventure. Very cute. And there's enamel dots. And there's a whole bunch of ephemera as well. So there's the big bits. These are for the, what am I trying to say? They're bigger than obviously a normal ephemera is. Although I noticed when I was doing the full unboxing that some of the ones in the bits and pieces are pretty big. So there's the big bits, and then there's the bits and pieces, which has a mixture of things. So some flowers, some journaling bits, some little just elements, and one of every friend in there as well. There's the sentiment bits, which is a whole bunch of sentimenty kind of things, journaling bits, and floral bits. So I'll just show you quickly. Floral bits, journaling bits, sentiment bits, bits and pieces, and the big bits. You can see they're quite a lot bigger. There are little bits in there too, but mostly bigger. Alright, so what else do we have? Finally, got some of the 49er Market Cottagecore albums or binders and the recipe cards that go with them. So that's what the recipe cards look like. And the binder is fatter, deeper, wider than I kind of imagined it to be. I thought they'd be around about the same size as, let me just grab one of the Snap albums. But I feel they are a little bit bigger, and I would be correct. So that's a Snap album there, and that's one of the 49er Market albums. To me, they are more like an American Crafts size, so just that little bit bigger. You can see they're even longer. Doesn't mean that what's in sizes and the pockets are different, but just means you can squish a bit more in. So if you're looking for something to make a recipe book, I would like to actually make a recipe book for each of my kids for when they eventually leave home, which is a wee way off. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use those, but I think that's a really cool idea. Then the other new collection, which I just think is so cute, is Little Things Mean a Lot by Echo Park. And this is themed around bugs. I'll just go in a bit closer so you can see the kind of bugs that are there. My favourite would have to be this paper, which I haven't had a good look at, but it's little ants, but they look like they're stitching, so they're so cute. And I love this mixture of colourful bugs on a white background. Maybe 5 years ago, 6 years ago, either Echo Park or Crepe paper had a paper that was sort of similar. I just loved it. I still have some in my stash because I just adored it so much. Of course, it comes with the sticker sheet as well. And I have the sticker sheets separately too. Try to find space to put these things. And there is also the solids collection kit as well. It comes with the papers that match in. Usually pretty popular, those solids collection kits. Comes with the little 6x6 paper pad as well. And 2 ephemeras. So the ephemera and the frame and tags. That's what those look like. Hopefully you can see them. Those little things mean a lot. I think that is such a cute collection if you've got kids. Perfect. Got in this collection by Photoplay Easter Sunday. I think this is sweet. So if you're looking for an Easter collection, or you're going to be making Easter cards, then get in while you can. I think that will be cute. It's got some cute little cutter parts in there. I love the, what's the word? I just want to say font, but it's not quite what I'm trying to say. That vibe. I love that vibe. It looks cool. And these collection packs too come with the sticker sheet as well. And I didn't get those sticker sheets separately though. The other collection that I have from Photoplay is music notes. I am loving this. This is so cool. It's not really, I don't know. I feel like sometimes they're really girly music kind of things, or else very old-fashionedy. Whereas this to me, my son is doing piano, so this just really cuts the mustard for me. I think it's going to be awesome to do some of those more masculine kind of layouts, but not too, I don't know, old-fashioned. Quite modern looking. Love this. I can't hear you. That'd be both my kids love music, so that'd be my other kid listen to music, ignoring me. Also having some of the simple stories for the record, so just a couple of the collection kits for that. They are designed to tell the story over the year. Tell your story over a year. You can see. Let me show you. I was just using my, can't know if you can tell. It's got like little cutter parts for each month. So it's sort of designed for pocket scrapbooky kind of layouts. So it doesn't have to be, of course. It could be like you do a month and you do the cutter parts for each month. But my brain, I do pocket scrapbooking, so my brain thinks it's, you know, perfect for that kind of thing. You want to do maybe a page a month. Also finally got on this family collection, which I love the colours of. I think it's beautiful, beautiful colours. Perfect for doing some of those more, what's the word? I'm trying to say historic, but it doesn't seem quite right. Heritage photos. I think it'd be fantastic. And some beautiful stickers in the sticker sheet as well. I can see there's a lot of really pretty floral patterns in the papers. I think they're just gorgeous. Especially I love the sort of, I don't know, it's like a plain background, white background with the little florals just sort of stuck on the page. Kind of like a field of flowers. I think they're really pretty. And there's, I've got to say, the solids collection as well. And the last thing, I think, yeah, the last thing is one of the 49er Market Toddler Time collection bundles. I haven't gotten up any other rest of the collection yet. I can't open this to show you any of it. I haven't got in any of the collection yet, but if you're interested, let me know. I have just not done that yet. There's other things I want to buy first, so if you're really hanging out for this, then let me know and I can see what I can do to get it in a bit earlier. This is cute. I think this is the last collection by Katie Petit for 49er Market. It looks really cute though, doesn't it? And it's got some beautiful colours in it. I love the orange and the yellow and the green and the teal all together. I think that's really, really pretty. So that's it. That's all I've got. Hopefully getting some more things in soon to tempt you into coming and having a look at the shop. I do have one more thing to show you. That's the Uniquely Creative Hello Darling Creative Kit. I didn't bring in any of the other Hello Darling collection yet. May bring some in yet. I just haven't got around to it. So it comes with the collection pack which includes cut aparts, which are always really cool. And there are 16 papers in there, 2 of each. Comes with the Creative magazine, which has a load of ideas. Has ideas, some of them are full instructions, some of them are just ideas, and it's not just scrapbooking but also cards. So you can make some scrapbook layouts and then use your scraps for the cards. You obviously don't have to follow exactly, so I usually would create a few layouts, my favourite layouts, and then create cards from the leftovers, and you don't have to use exactly the same papers, you can mix it up a bit. Sometimes I've even used the same kind of card several times because I love the card designs that they do. These are creative kits in the pack. That's what those look like. There are these frames. These are essential ephemera, so they're not, I don't know how you'd say it, associated with the kit. They're ephemera that will always be around. You get 5 of each, 10 frames in total. There are these sweet little Pearl Daisy stickers. These are also always around. And also these lace embellishments, which are super cute as well. Again, these are always around, but the frames, these frames are a new item that they're stocking. There is also a stamp set and die set. Stamp and die. Stamp and die to me is the best way to go. I think it's great having the stamp and the die in one. Right, so that's the creative kit if you're interested in that. The other new thing is the 3/4 designs 3/4 lane village, which comes out every month. And at the end of the year you have like a little lane with your houses. You could do like 6 in a row and 6 on the other side, or you could do them all in a big row. This is the one that I made. Nowhere near as cool as some of the other ones I've seen. They are doing a promotion where you pimp your shop, so make it way more fancy than I have done, and you can go in the draw to win a prize. So I will link the details for that below as well. That's all I've got to show you today. Hopefully there'll be some more stuff coming soon, and thanks for watching. Go check all these goodies out. Bye.